YouTube is one of the most popular platforms for sharing and watching videos worldwide. Your YouTube username represents your identity on that platform and can reflect your interests, professional brand, or simply be something personal. Regardless of the reason, you may find yourself wanting to change your YouTube username to update your profile. If you're a mobile user and want to change your YouTube username, you've come to the right place. In this tutorial, we will guide you, step by step, on how to change your YouTube username using a mobile device. Whether you're using Android or iOS, the process is similar and easy to follow. The first step is to open your YouTube application on your phone. Click on the profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. Then click on the Your Channel option. Your channel will open from there. Click on the pencil icon in the middle of the screen. To change your username, you need to click on the pencil icon next to the handle option. After clicking on the pencil icon next to the handle option, a message will appear stating that the username change will be visible to all users. It also mentions that you have the option to change it back within 14 days. It's important to know that changing your username will also change your YouTube channel URL you may have shared on other social media platforms. Additionally, keep in mind that you can only change your username twice every 14 days. You can choose any username you want, as long as it is not already taken, such as the name Bogdan. In your case, feel free to add numbers or other characters as needed to make your username unique and distinct. Once you have chosen the desired username, click on Save in the top right corner to save the changes.